Have you ever wondered how people create those insane backyard renovation videos in bulk using AI, and that too completely free? Don't worry, you're at Joseph's, where we believe in open learning, and just like always, I'm going to show you how to create viral videos using only free AI tools and highly engineered prompts. The best part is that you don't need to go to ChatGPT or generate complicated prompts yourself because I've already prepared everything for you. You can suggest us in the comments what niche you want to be covered in the next video. In the description, you'll find one powerful image generation prompt to create the dirty, ugly backyard, along with multiple step-by-step video prompts that will transform that old backyard into a luxury renovation. First, we need to generate the base image, and for that I'll use Grok AI. Open Grok AI, click on Imaging, choose the Image tab, and select the vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. Then copy the image prompt from the prompt file, paste it into Grok, and click Run. After a few seconds, you'll see multiple variations generated. Choose the one you like the most and download it to your device because this will be your starting point. Keep in mind that this image prompt is designed in such a way that each time you generate the videos, the AI will provide you with the different batches of images, like different house types, different season, different background, which means that you can grow your whole channel with this single pro. Now it's time to transform that image into a renovation video. On the same page, go to the Customize Video text box, copy the first video prompt from the description, paste it there, and click Run. Your renovation video will start generating. If you don't like the result, simply click the Redo option and Grok will create another variation for you. Once you are satisfied, click on the three dots and choose Upscale to ensure the highest possible quality, then download the video to your device. After downloading the video, open it on your device, go to the last frame, and take a screenshot. Crop that screenshot to the 9:16 vertical size and save it because this image will now be used as the starting frame for your second transformation stage. Go back to Grok AI, upload the screenshot you just created, copy the second video prompt from the prompt file, paste it into the Create Video section, and click Run. After some time, your second renovation stage will be generated. Again, if you don't like the result, use the Redo option until you get the version that looks perfect to you. Once finalized, click the three dots, upscale the video for maximum clarity, and download it. You will repeat this exact same process for the third and fourth stages. Open the downloaded clip. Capture the last frame, crop it vertically, upload it again, paste the next prompt, generate, upscale, and download. This method ensures a smooth, continuous backyard transformation that looks realistic and progressive. After all your clips are ready, open any video editing software, create a project in 9:16 vertical format, and import all clips in proper sequence. I strongly recommend that you do not trim or remove the original construction sounds because those natural audio elements make the renovation feel immersive and realistic. You can add light background music if you want, but even without it the video works perfectly. And just like that, your AI backyard renovation video is completely ready. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.